Alright, what's up, Marky? What's up, Marky? What's up? What's up? You ready? You ready, Ryan? Ryan, what's up? Ryan, what's up?
Tired.
What's up?
Nothing's up. Nothing's up.
What's up, Dale? What's up, Dale? What's up, Dale?
I should record
What's up? What's up? What's up?
You want me to record it while they're doing it?
What's up? 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 What's up, Will?
What's up, bro?
Fucking shoot my wristband away, shoot my 2 dog tags away. Mikey, what the hell are you doing? When are we gonna record this?
He's gonna record kicking sand at everybody.
Sam's gonna get in that square. Sam's gonna get on.
Oh, I can't even see Dylan.
Bro. Friendship square.
What's up, Marky?
Friendship.
Hey, we should shoot the freshman. Seriously, that should be funny.
Kick Santa on that.
Look at all that fresh meat over there.
Get back in the freshen.
No.
No.
Get in the friendship square. Friendship square.
Next thing we gotta hit AD.
Oh.
AD's gonna be running.
Oh, whoa.
Sand everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, the Irish. The Irish. The Irish.
Alright, it's good enough.
Swim to that bus. Suicide.
Where's the seniors first?
Yeah.
Seniors first. What's up, Juan? What's up, Juan?
Juan, me gusta Juan.
Oh, Emilio. Emilio. What's up, man? Oh. Negretti.
They're shaking hands.
Is it?
It's gonna take forever. Alright. But where's sexy?
Oh, Dr. Negretti.
And now.
Oh no, the teachers.
Let's go up. Let's go up.
Joe.
Joe.
He's stuck. Not again. Beach Bears. Oh, Pastor Lamar. Oh, Miss Lorenz. What?
They all grouped around Mr. Lester and started jumping on him. It is doing Many blessings to you. Have
What's up, Pastor Lamar?
Have a very good year. Welcome. Have a good year.
Oh, the seniors.
Thank you. Hi.
Carrie. Miss Gross.
Miss Gross.
Hi, Miss Gross. Hello.
Joe.
What's up, Uncle?
All right, hey.
Hey, Mr. Brandmeier.
Good. Speed and aerodynamics. I love it.
The president. What are we like not gonna run in this year?
Slowest high five I've ever given.
Yeah, no, it's like high five. High five.
Again.
Look, I can't wait.
Five.
Adam.
Stop. Wait, why are we going so slowly?
What's up, John?
Hey,
What's up,
are you
John?
recording me?
You guys are lightning.
What's up, Big Hog?
No, it's really slow.
Oh, Josh.
Oh,
Nice.
am I on the YouTube?
Yes, you are.
Look.
Finally, stop! Is she really gonna make it?
Oh, get it!
Hey, Kevin! Hey!
We're in the same class, guys.
No fighting, no fighting.
High five, man, high five.
The USC persons. Heck!
Oh my god.
Dude, can we like wait so we can run?
Hey, tell him to wait so we can book it. Guys, wait so we can just run this shit. Yeah, tell him to wait. Hey, stop! Hey, no! You dumbasses.
I thought 7.
Don't move!
What? This is so gay.
You've never given me a hug.
Why would I?
This is so gay. This is so gay.
This is gay.
Oh, Tyler McRae! Hey! F1! What's up? Hey! Oh, what's up?
This is so slow.
Tell our class to wait so we can run. Oh, crazy.
Hey, Ryan.
Oh, Budge. Ryan.
Yeah.
James Hearn.
Now we're back.
This is the worst friendship.
This is so gay.
Imaginary high five.
Oh, the Russian. The Russian.
I've seen you before.
Oh, RJ. What's up, Fred? That was so gay.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna run.
Okay, no one moves so we can run.
No, we're not. They're all the way over there. Damn. Gay, they're grinding up on Jose, man.
Was it like cooking
He's low-key gay. He's low-key gay right now.
Came out of the closet.
Just
Watch your ball.
We're gonna run soon. We're all gonna run now, guys?
Let's run. We better.
Oh my god, you're my favorite.
And nuts.
Oh!
I want to slap all of their asses for some reason.
Dude.
Oh! Let's go! Hey!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Greg! What's all you? Oh!
Dumb pussy.
Times we did it.
Stop someone's dick on my head.
My ass.
The freshman, man.
Where's Marky? We gonna do the freshman? We gonna do the freshman?
Yeah. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Come on. Hey! I love you.
Oh, this is James. What are we gonna do?
I'm not a part of it.
Hey! Oh, that was good. That was weak sauce.
Hey, come on.
Oh, Russia. Alright, is it time for the freshman? Was that it?
The freshman didn't even
No.
How about the line?
The freshman didn't even go yet.
What happened to the freshman?
Kick Sand? Huh?
You kick Sand up?
It was kind of gay though. Huh? It was pretty gay when we did it. We didn't do it yet. Oh, we did. When? James Hearn. Oh.
That's just one guy. I mean, the whole
We're
time.
gonna do the pyramid right now.
We are.
Where's Jose?